Have you ever stood in front of someone? You want to speak English, but your mind goes blank? You smile, they smile, and then silence. If yes, this lesson is for you.
Here's something surprising. You don't need perfect grammar to start a conversation. You don't need advanced vocabulary. You only need 5 simple conversation starters. That's it.
Let me tell you something. One of my students, Ahmed, told me, I understand English, I know words, but when I meet someone, I freeze. After learning today's method, he started conversations confidently at work. What changed? Not his grammar, his strategy.
Today, we will teach you how to start a conversation anywhere, what to say after hello, how to continue talking naturally, how to avoid awkward silence, what to say when your mind goes blank.
By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say when you meet someone in English. No more fear, no more silence. Let's begin.
Here's the simple formula. Greeting plus simple question plus follow-up plus share something. That's it. Let's break it down.
Step 1. Greeting. You don't need something special. Just say, hi, hello, good morning, how's it going? Nice to meet you. Simple is powerful.
Step 2. Ask an easy question. After hello, many learners panic. Don't. Use these safe questions. At work, how's your day going? Are you busy today? At an event, how do you know the host? Is this your first time here? In class, what are you studying? Why are you learning English? In daily life, is it always this busy here? Have you been here before? These questions are easy and natural.
Let's imagine you meet someone at work. You. Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Sarah. Them. Hi, I'm David. You. Nice to meet you, David. How long have you worked here? See? Simple. No advanced grammar.
The biggest fear is, what if they answer and then silence? Here's the secret. Listen for key words. If they say, I've worked here for 3 years, you respond with, oh, nice. What do you do here? Or, 3 years? That's a long time. React. Then ask again. Conversation is like tennis. Question, answer, return.
The magic follow-up words are, really? Oh, nice. That's interesting. No way. Wow. These small reactions make you sound natural.
It happens to everyone. Here's what to say. That's interesting. Tell me more. How did that happen? What do you like most about it? Why did you choose that? These are life-saving questions. You don't need new topics. Just go deeper.
Safe topics include work, travel, hobbies, food, weekend plans, movies or TV, family lightly. Avoid politics, money, or personal problems at first.
Let's build a natural conversation. You, hi, is this seat free? Them, yes, it is. You, thanks. Do you work around here? Them, yes, I work at the bank nearby. You, oh, nice. Do you like it? Them, Yes, it's busy but good. You? That's great. What do you enjoy most about it? See? No awkward silence. Just question, reaction, follow-up.
Important. People are not judging your grammar. They're thinking about themselves. Conversation is not a test. It's connection. If you make a mistake, smile and continue. Confidence is more important than perfect English.
Here's your homework. Tomorrow, start one small conversation, just one. Use greeting, question, follow-up. Then come back and comment. What did you say? How did it feel?
If this lesson helped you feel more confident, subscribe to Easy English every day.
You don't need perfect English.
You just need the right strategy.
See you in the next lesson.
And remember,
Both, no more awkward silence.